everyone, happy holidays! This video is all about budget-friendly holiday decorating, and there's no better place to go shopping than IKEA for budget-friendly stuff, but also budget-friendly holiday trendy stuff. Festive, fun, and free. Okay, no, not free, but some of it is really quite inexpensive. So if you're needing to add to your holiday decor or you're starting from scratch, let's go shopping at IKEA and I'll show you my favorite items that will make your home sparkle with holiday charm. Yay, IKEA! You can't have the holidays without sparkle, and there's no better place to get that little twinkle or two than from IKEA's selection of string lights. Bonus points, they're LED and can be powered by batteries. I love the Snoira string lights. That soft little frosted ball gives the lights that soft glow. This one has 40 little lights, and although they look great for the holidays, strung along the center of the table or contained in a glass vessel, you can actually use them all year round. Hang them in your bedroom for instant sparkly vibes. And of course, IKEA has lots of different types of string lights in different lengths and different shapes, some with stars, some with colored lights. Here's another one of my favorites, the Strala LED string lights. These mini gold stars are the perfect little touch of twinkle. You can incorporate these string lights into your decor very easily. Just make sure to hide the battery pack. I love these pillar candles because they look great and they look quite real. They are actually no flame candles and they are so much safer than real candles. One of my biggest fears is lighting too many candles in one area, as if we need more stress in our lives, right? So these are the Godaften, and not only do they look great and real, they come in a set of 3. I don't know if you know this, but when decorating with accessories, odd numbers always look best. And the set is only $16 Canadian for all 3. So definitely worth picking up a couple of sets and decorating your coffee table or your mantle, or even just grouping them together on the floor. They're especially great for people with kids or pets. Better safe than sorry. But I love how they flicker. And again, you can use them all year round. I had to dedicate a whole section just to these paper stars. I've talked about the Strala LED string lights, but these are the Strala paper lamp shades. They're like 3-dimensional paper snowflakes. You can buy the hanging version or the table lamp version. And they come in lots of different festive colors. The shades are only $5 and they come in 2 sizes. Very affordable, and they make great impact when they're lit up. Pretty amazing bang for your holiday buck, don't you think? I think even if you don't add the light bulb attachment, having them propped up on your mantle would look fun and festive. Are you enjoying this video? Then please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more. It really helps to grow this channel, especially as we get closer to 50,000 subscribers. You can also support this channel by heading to my Patreon page, where I offer up several tiers, including one in which you can get a one-on-one design consultation with me. So if you need personalized interior design advice, head over to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. The other whole category that I love about IKEA is all of their festive fabrics. I mean, you can dress up your sofa with great pillows like the Sanella in this rusty red color, or this brighter version of red. The velvety texture is sure to add a luxurious feeling to your home, and each cover is really inexpensive. For the holidays, IKEA also has a couple of very festive throws. The Ullestel has a lovely rope fringe and it's made from New Zealand wool. It's actually a great gift to give too. Its subtle coloring goes well with any interior. And then there's this throw, the Clock Julros. I'm so sorry. The Clock Julros has a thicker feeling to it, perfect for the snowy evenings. I love the candy cane vibe with that white fringe. This would go so well with that candy cane color palette I talked about in this video. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out after you've watched this one. It's all about holiday color palettes. IKEA also has a slew of other fabric items to dress you up for the holidays. If you've got a chef or baker on your list, they'll appreciate the holiday-inspired aprons and tea towels. I think you're allowed to be kitschy during the holidays. I don't know if this is true for my American viewers, but in Canada, you can buy a real Christmas tree from IKEA. Well, you could most years, but the pandemic has affected IKEA's Christmas tree supply as well. But no worries, they've got amazing artificial trees and artificial greenery. It's all part of their Winter 2021 collection. I love the simplicity of an evergreen inside your home, and this Scandinavian look is very popular this year. IKEA has lots of options when it comes to festive greenery. I'm especially loving this 40-inch high version with its burlap wrapped pot. Tuck this into your entry hall or next to your actual tree for that outdoorsy look. I wouldn't even decorate it, it just looks so fresh and wintry. IKEA's paper shop is always a must stop for me. I love their options for wrapping paper, gift bags, stationery, and all sorts of paper decorations. They have a great selection of colors and patterns, and don't forget, ribbons and labels are essential for the holidays as well. The patterns are so much fun. I love this green and white collection. But for all of you lovers of holiday color, they have that too. Also, IKEA has banned the use of chlorine bleaching agents in their production of their paper products due to the negative impact on the environment. So that's a win. Yay, IKEA! And finally, what's holiday decor without actual decorations? Okay, so far all of this is decoration, but I'm talking about the little accessories that add so much charm to your home. Little touches here and there that make decorating even more fun. Like these little tea light holders in the form of little houses. This is called the Winterfest in a pale gray color. It also comes in black. A lovely Scandinavian vibe. These little metal houses look so warm and inviting when you put a tea light in them. Ornaments for your tree? IKEA has some beautiful wooden ornaments. As well as these cute little guys. And these cone-shaped Santas. They'll definitely bring a smile to your home. It's all about great little moments that bring charm and warmth to your home. So there you have it. If you're on a budget, head to IKEA for your holiday decorating. Every year I'm impressed with their offerings, but this year's Winter 2021 collection is full of charm and warmth. You'll definitely fill your home with holiday festive vibes without breaking the bank. Leave a comment and let me know if you reuse the same holiday decorations every year, or if you end up shopping for new additions to your holiday decor every year. I have a feeling if you're like me, your collection is ever growing. Want more holiday themed videos? I'll link a whole slew of them below, so make sure you check them out. Check out last week's video on holiday color palettes. It's a great place to start before you go shopping. I'll link it below as well. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. And as always, thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more holiday videos coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. See you soon.